the coronavirus. All over social media, all over the news. We're getting calls left and right. What can I do with work? Do I have to go in? Can I call in sick? What are my options? I wanted to discuss your options as an employee and options that you have. Number one, paid sick leave. You have paid sick leave, you can use it. You could use paid sick leave for an illness, treatment of an illness, or preventing the risk of getting an illness, in this case, the coronavirus. California requires employers to give minimum 3 days paid sick leave per year. Certain cities within California, like the good old city of Los Angeles, requires employers to give minimum 6 days paid sick leave per year. You have it and you can use it. Number two, PTO or vacation time. If you have accrued PTO, you should be able to use it. It is your paid time off. You could use it when and how you wish. So if you have it, you should be able to use it. California is also taking certain measures to protect employees. They have introduced a new bill, AB 3123, which basically says that if it ever gets to the point where an employee has been ordered to be isolated or quarantined, the employer cannot fire them or retaliate against them for missing work. So if you've been ordered to be isolated or quarantined and you had to miss work because of it, your employer cannot fire you or retaliate against you. Difference between isolation and quarantine, I was curious about it myself. Isolation means that the individual has the illness and they are being separated from the rest of the public. It's usually in a hospital or facility. Quarantine means the individual does not have the illness, but they've been exposed to it. And by that threat, they are being separated from the rest of the public. When you're quarantined, it could usually be done within your own home. Lastly, I wanted to talk about certain measures that employers should be taking and are taking, that is to be vigilant about what's happening, to be aware and recognize the seriousness of this crisis, informing employees about their rights, options that they have, and also taking measures to prevent the spread of the coronavirus. Allowing employees to work from home, limiting in-person meetings, limiting group meetings. These are all things that employers are doing and should be doing in a crisis like this. If you have any questions or concerns about this coronavirus crisis and your employment rights, as always, call us, text us, DM us, and we will get back to you. Stay safe.